Talk today about tuck pointing. Tuck pointing is an art. We have a lot of problems today in all buildings with brick and walkways that are made out of brick too, as cement ages, and we have seen how really the weather beats up our materials. This is a friend of mine that called me this weekend, and these are little projects that we do over the weekend sometimes. And what we do is I found that she had this sign that says loose bricks, watch your steps. So this is a sign. If you think that this is a sign that you have in your home, probably you want to get somebody to come and do the pointing and fix your bricks. So when I came here, is you probably can see, and you could see some of the pictures, all these bricks were loose. Okay, we have put them back again, we put cement, we did some mortar, and as you can see, when it was done before, it was done with the wrong color. The biggest deal with tuck pointing is finding the right color for the mortar. Here's another repair that you can see. It was done with other product. So my advice is make sure that you get the right color for your joints so they all match. So we took the time and we took the test to get the right color for this. You can see the new joints we just did this morning, and right now we're preparing this side, but you see we clean up all the joints that were broken. We glue some of the bricks that were loose, and now I'm going to show you the process of how to make the mix. So come up and follow me, and you can see at this time what I have in here is the sand and mortar. So we use this masonry mortar, which is colored masonry cement type N, and we mix it with sand to get to the right product. And the way we mix it is we mix it at the ratio of 2 to 1. So we mix it dry. Okay, we mix it dry, then we're going to add some water. So now that we have made the mix, we're going to let it cure. We're going to let it sit for a couple of minutes so we can let the cement, the chemicals of the cement work. Okay, so now that we know that we have let the mortar, you know, just sit a little bit, we're gonna use, I use these two trowels to put the joints, the mortar, like grout. Okay, and then we're gonna start making sure we don't get onto the bricks. Now understand that I already glue this brick in the morning, so what I'm doing now is just filling the cracks, the joints. As you can see, this is not rocket science. This can be done by anyone, by, you know, over the weekends. Probably a dirty job, but believe me, it gives you a lot of pressure to see your patio, you know, looking back again like it was by the time it was built. So, okay, now we're all done with our cleaning. The next thing to remember is the most important part of your patio is to clean up the joints very well. Thank you for watching.